Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11. In the first step, click here and type device manager, then click here to open it. It will open device manager window. And from here you can expand monitors, then right click here and click on disable device, select as, again right click on it and click on enable device. Okay, now you have to right click on it and then click on properties, go to drivers tab and simply click on update driver, then click on this option. So drivers are installed, then close this window. In the next step, click here and search for CMD, right click on it and click on run as administrator. It will open command prompt window. Now type these commands carefully, type chkdsk and hit enter. It will take some time to complete its process, so wait for it. And then type prompt and hit enter. Then type sfc space slash scan file equal to c colon backslash windows backslash system 32 backslash iframe dot dll and then hit enter. Okay, now type sfc space slash verify file equal to c colon backslash windows backslash system 32 backslash iframe dot dll and hit enter. Now type assoc and hit enter. Then type sfc space slash scan now and hit enter. This process will take some time to complete this process. If it is taking more than usual, then simply press Ctrl plus C and then type exit to close the command prompt. And finally, click here and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved. You are good to go.